everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Abdul Salam's e-learning platform. I have brought another valuable product for you. Okay, so let me just show you this one. It's Cleaner Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. It's actually a teeth whitening kit. Okay, so that will have 60% off, and you can take benefit from it. So let me guide you what exactly this is. This is actually a teeth whitening kit that will help you, smile better, because it's gonna help you clean your teeth if you have been using some stuff like smoking and tobacco. As you can see, there you go. So it's actually will ease up most of the stains like brought about by age. Okay, it's tobacco, espresso, like coffee stains on the teeth and tea and stuff like that. So okay, what it will do, it will 96% of the patients with these sorts of stains experience some easing up impact. Okay, so this product will help you clean your teeth no matter what, whatever the stain is on your teeth. Okay, so here we can see the link to buy here. Okay, I will guide you how you can buy this product from here, okay, on a reasonable price, and it will provide you 60% off today. So noticeably white and brighter teeth after 1 year. That's amazing. If you are gonna use this one for the 1 year, you will see that your teeth are brighter than before. So let's have a look at this one. Here we can see a video. Let's just play this one.
Have you ever met someone that you found attractive until they smiled and you immediately turned off by their ugly, yellow, discolored teeth? Have you ever wondered if someone had the same thoughts about you? Numerous studies show that a wider smile makes people think you are younger, more attractive, wealthier, and more educated. Match.com recently polled 5,000 single people and found that a beautiful smile was the most attractive quality men and women looked for in someone that they wanted to meet. According to another study by the American Academy of Cosmetic Dentistry, a wider smile will increase your attractiveness by 20%. A study conducted by Oral-B found a person with white teeth was assumed to be making $16,000 more than a person with yellowish teeth, and that a person with white teeth was more employable and considered twice as likely to have graduated from college. It is my honor to introduce Cleaner Smile Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit, an FDA-approved revolutionary breakthrough involving a simple 15-minute remedy that can make your teeth up to 8 shades lighter with just one easy at-home treatment. After many months of research and testing, our scientists achieved breakthrough results using advanced LED blue light therapy combined with our scientifically designed 35% carbamide peroxide gel. Our precisely formulated rapid bonding gel is activated by the LED blue light on the teeth surface and immediately separates at the molecular level. This chemical breakdown process allows the gel to deeply penetrate the teeth to lift embedded stains caused by years of coffee, smoking wine, and aging. A study published in the National Institute of Health, 35% carbamide peroxide, our active ingredient, shows it to be the most safe, fast, and effective ingredient available in teeth whitening. There is no other product on the market that can whiten your teeth safer, faster, or more effectively at home than Cleaner Smile. Each kit is assembled in our GMP and FDA certified facility to ensure each component is manufactured under strict guidelines in a safe and regulated environment to guarantee the highest quality. Over 120,320 people have already improved their life with Cleaner Smile, and today you can too. After just one use of our product, I guarantee your teeth will be 8 shades lighter, and you will appear younger, more attractive, and wealthier. Each kit comes with one LED blue light applicator mouthpiece and 3 maintenance pens, each filled with our scientifically designed gel, a full 90-day supply to maintain your pearly whites. All for a simple fee of just $69. Yes, that's right, just $69. That's absolutely the best price we have ever offered. But before you order, we do recommend our 4-kit package, which will allow you to maintain your bright, whiter smile for a full year, but at an incredible limited time discount. This will save you even more money on top of today's special pricing. And as I said before, the special pricing is only for today or until our limited inventory runs out. The price of our kits are rising due to demand, and our current inventory is selling out fast. All the more reason that picking up 4 kits today is a smart decision. Your order today is a one-time payment with no auto ship, subscription, or hidden charges. Look below, and if Cleaner Smile is still in stock, you'll see 3 money sending options below this video. Select your package and click the button to proceed to our 256-bit secure order page that looks exactly like this. Fill in your order information and confirm your order. We'll get your kit delivered directly to your door right away. This offer is only available on this page. It's not available anywhere else on the internet, and you will not find it available in any stores. I've eliminated all of the middlemen to bring you absolutely the best price available. And to prove that you have absolutely nothing to worry about, I'm giving you a 60-day risk-free guarantee. If you don't immediately experience dramatically whiter and brighter teeth, even if you use up the entire kit and you want to get your money back, it won't be an issue. All you have to do is contact us within 60 days. We'll refund your purchase price with no questions asked. You have nothing to lose. Just choose your order below. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, no auto ship, just a safe and secure one-time charge. And remember, your order is 100% protected by my 60-day money-back guarantee. So place your order now.
Alright, that has been an amazing video. Okay, here we can see the signs of whiter brighter teeth. Okay, so minimum of 6 months of supply that you can have. Okay, so it's a before yellow teeth and afterwards it's been white. So long lasting results that you can find right here. Okay, it's safe for teeth gems and winners. Okay, braces, caps, crowns and bridges, whatever you have on your teeth. Okay, it's applicable to everything. Easy to use, whiter teeth after just one session. That's great. So let me guide you how you can buy this one. Okay, so here's a link, so just click on that. But before that, let me just get you through this. Okay, how you can get to this page. Okay, it's a cleaner smile teeth whitening kit. Okay, so I'll take you to the Google first of all. Okay, just type in Google, hit enter, look for the luxy.pk. Okay, yes, luxy.pk, that's the website that you need to visit. Click enter, and here you can see the address of the Luxy, and here is the link. You can click here onto the website, or you can go through this one. When you click on this one, it will take you to this website luxy.pk. Okay, so that's the page. Okay, that's the website page. You need to click on blog. It will be in the blogs. Okay, okay, that was teeth whitening kit, right? So let me just take you. It's teeth whitening, T-W-I-T-H, teeth H-I-T-E and whitening kit. Hit enter. So yeah, there we go, teeth whitening kit. There you go, click on it. You have find this one. So when you just come here, there you will see buy here button. Okay, so just click on that. It will take you to that buyer page or shop page, you can say. Okay, so that's it. It's 60% off today. When you will go through this website, you will only find like a cheaper price. Okay, so it's 4 kits for $59 per. Okay, you can go with 2 kit supply that will last for 6 months, and this 4 kit supply will last for like 1 year. 1 year of brighter teeth. Okay, that will be an amazing um price for you. Okay, total that will be 236 for the 4 kits. Okay, small shipping fee, small shipping fee. I mean, there will be a small shipping fee. Okay, noticeably white brighter teeth. Okay, 3 steps. Perfect. Active ingredient, this is 35% carbamide peroxide. That's the ingredient that will help you to rinse any kind of stain on your teeth. Okay, so that's an amazing stuff. Testimonial, some people have used this one already. So okay, vegetable for much makes me conscious about my teeth. Okay, that's good. You can read this one for yourself. 60% off sale today. 4 kits. Let's go with the 4 kits. Just click on add to go. You can do this from the first that we saw, the button for the purchase. Okay, so here we go. Okay, private person business. No, you will click on private person if you are in buying it individually. Okay, so if you have a business, you want to go through that one, you just click on the business. Okay, but I will highly recommend you to go through the private person. Okay, so whatever your name is, you are Miss or you are Mr. I'm a Mr. I'll go through that, and let me just go through this. If my name is John Michael, just for example, John first name, last name is Michael, Michael, email address, whatever it is John Michael, Michael. Okay, John Michael at the rate gmail.com. Just street address. You can put any street if you are from USA, UK, or stuff like that. There will be a street address like this: 325. Okay, well, like Ninth Avenue, Seattle, USA, Washington, USA. Okay, 325 South Michigan Avenue, Chicago, Illinois. Okay, and that's the address. It will automatically fill all these things up for you. Okay, so here's the price. It's normal price 596. You don't have to pay that. You will just be paying $236 for the 4 kits. Shipping fee is $9.95. United States. There is a tax. Okay, that is $25 and 21 cents. In total, you will just be paying $241. Okay, and 16 cents. If you want to have a replacement warranty for like 2 years, you can add like click on this one. It will add like $6.95 for 2 year replacement warranty. If you don't want to use this one anymore and you haven't seen any kind of results, you can change it. Okay, you can just replace this one. Okay, put your company name or whatever your name is. Okay, and flyer whatever, enter your billing address. If you have a different billing address, just click on enter billing address. If you have the same billing address, just like your this address, like the current address, just go through this one. Okay, okay, it's required. You can click on wire transfer if you want to go with this payment plan. You want to go with top payment option, Venmo, PayPal, Visa, Mastercard, Discover, American Express, whatever you like. Okay, credit card number or debit card number, 1 2 3 4. Okay, whatever it should be, like something like 16 digits. Yeah. So your month, add your year on the card, and then the 3 digit CVV on the back of the card. If you are using American Express, there will be like 4 digits or 5 digits that you need to put in. Okay. So click on this one. Click. And if you want to change it, just go to this one. Okay, it will help. It is a help desk. Okay, it's a customer service email. If you want to go through the terms and conditions, click on this one. Here are some terms and conditions. You need to go through that one. Okay, it's for your safety. Okay, privacy policy. That's perfect. You can go through this one. I don't have to read this one for you. So there we go. Find it through the link. If you have European Commission provides a new platform resolving disputes. So here's a link. Okay. So that's all for now. If you want to cancel an order, legal notice, terms and condition, privacy, content, whatever you want to do, everything is on this page. So that's all for now today. Thank you so much for your support and love, my YouTube family, and I'll keep watching this channel, okay, because I will be uploading some unique and top class valuable products that can change your life, okay, so at a cheaper price. Thank you so much for your time, and that's all from my side today. Bye bye.